Did you know you can make money from listening to music? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And this video will help you make over $800 from simply listening to music online. You can even do this with a newly made account. All you need is your laptop or smartphone. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. To begin with, you must first visit Mixkit.co. Mixkit.co is a website where you can find fantastic free components that you can use in your projects. But you won't be starting any projects or anything like that. You will only use this website to listen to music and earn money. Allow us to teach you how to start earning money simply by listening to music tracks. You can make from $4 each track up to a whopping $25 per music you listen to. People from all around the world are making money online. How? By simply listening to music. Let's make an estimate on how much money you could be earning each day by doing this. You can make around $8 by listening to one song, and you can make about $80 by listening to 10 songs. If there are 20 songs, you will be paid $160. You can earn $400 for listening to 50 songs, up to $800 or even more by listening to 100 songs. So, make sure your laptop or smartphone are prepared. You may use this strategy even if you're just starting out. Let's say you have never made money online. Don't worry, it is completely free and requires no investment. Now that you're on Mixkit, scroll down on the website to discover all the music tracks you will be using to generate revenue. All of the audio samples on this website can be used without giving credit or even registering on the site. There are tens of thousands of songs on this website. You name it, they have it. Here are 3 particular strategies to help you profit from it even more. Hover your cursor over the word genre in the top right corner of the website. You will see the many music genres that are offered on the website. Any of these can be used to generate income, but we will be giving you a major life hack. Go ahead and select the hip-hop genre or the acoustic type. You can download numerous unrestrictedly free acoustic music from the collection. Additionally, the page offers thousands of free downloaded hip-hop music. Let's say you click on one song and begin listening to it. Best part, you don't have to play through the entire track. You still have thousands of songs to listen to. You must now locate the download button, which is located immediately beneath the play button. To download the song to your computer, click the download button. In order to make the most money with this strategy, you have to keep doing this and downloading as many music songs as you can onto your computer. Once the download is complete, do the same with many other tracks on the website and download it also to your computer. Now, how do you monetize this process? We'll get to that in a moment. For the next step, go to this website called appforever.org. The website called AppForever will pay you to upload your files and photographs. You are going to put all the music tracks you just downloaded from Mixkit.co on this website. Every time someone downloads your music files from AppForever, you are going to get paid. Pretty simple, right? You can greatly utilize this really easy method to generate quick money online. Just simply return to Mixkit.co, download it from one of the many genres of music, and upload the track to AppForever. That's all you need to do. On this website, there is a 4-tiered payout structure. It classifies the sums you will get based on where you got the majority of your downloads. For instance, Tier 1 includes downloads from the United States and Canada. Tier 2 includes Australia. Tier 3 includes Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. Tier 4 includes the rest of the world. This indicates that you will receive at least $3 from Tier 4 nations. Tier 3 and Tier 2 countries will bring in roughly $4 each, and Tier 1 nations will bring in a respectable $7. That's not too bad. You can profit from at least 5 different revenue streams, including paid per download, paid per referral, mix, website banners, and the ability to sell your files. There are almost 20 different payment choices available, which is another wonderful thing that must be emphasized. They will give you access to the most popular electronic bank, including those used in local and Arab nations, in order to make it easier for payments to arrive wherever you are. They provide a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union, Cash Plus, and more. Furthermore, their minimum payment is merely $1. You may start withdrawing money as soon as you earn your first $1. So how can you get started? Firstly, Go to appforever.org and click the sign up button. The process of signing up is quite simple. You'll be done with it in about a minute. As usual, enter your username, password, and email in the appropriate places. Next, complete the CAPTCHA and then click the sign up button. By the way, you have the choice of logging in with your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account if that's what you prefer. When your account is ready, go and click the welcome button. When you click my account, your dashboard will appear. By the way, be sure to click the button for payment details, complete setting up your desired payment method, choose your appropriate category from here, and don't forget to save it. Next, look for upload files on the left-hand side of the page. You are going to start uploading the music files you obtained previously on Mixkit.co. However, remember to pay attention to some rules and regulations before you start downloading. The first restriction is that you must not upload any content that is against the rule of service, or else your account may be terminated. Second, you should make sure that your ad blocker is disabled because it can interfere with the upload process. You then click the upload button to start the upload process. After it is complete, you will be able to immediately see it on your dashboard. Moving on to the next step, decide on a pricing for your music file. Why? For every download someone makes on your music track, you will be paid a minimum of $7. The best part is, you can repeat this process as many times as you like. Simply go back to the Mixkit website and download the music tracks there. If you set everything up correctly, you can get paid from the music tracks for a very long period. All you need is some consistency and persistence. That's all you need to do. Immediately make money just by listening to music online. You can even earn from the comfort of your own home. What are you waiting for? Get started now. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button. Please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made finance simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon.